Kishangirwe ngo abashomesa bo kubara mu mashomero ga government batwire bino kugumirwa habwa abeegi obutagira bitabebera mu za set hamwe n'ebindi kandi hano Omuny'eishengyero Dr. Joseph Riyonga ahwereire abeegi ariko bahaza set.
We have had some challenges in construction where most of our pupils never had mathematical sets. So it is really a blessing to have these mathematical sets. They are so timely. You can see on the blackboard here, the topic we are having is for third term. We had skipped construction due to absence of mathematical sets from the pupils.
This time most of the countryside boarding section, but for us they cannot afford. Because of the parents, most of them have single mothers. Even the class requirements, even when it comes to books, they cannot afford.
Buri mweji w'ekibiina kya mushanju abire natunga sete mu kwetorora amashomero ga government hagarukushangwa mu ishaza rye.
I'm going to support you with the mathematical sets. Brand new. But assure me, when I first grade.
Sister Jacinta Komhanji mukuru w'ishomero rya St Bernadette Primary School yagamba ngo abashomesa mu mashomero ga government nibarabo mu kugumirwa.
There are also other challenges, like some children come from vulnerable homes. The parents don't manage or don't have funds to cater for these other needs. You find a child comes at school without scholastic materials like mathematical sets, like pens, like uniforms. But now since the Honorable has come in on a full year and even supplied them, that's better. The parent is going to now save for that money which he was going to use for buying the mathematical set.
Gasha Konwagaba Ambrose Katoto.